Good morning all of you. Welcome to today's class. Today we are going to study about architecture in the Sultanate period. A new style of architecture developed during the Sultanate period. It is known as the Indo-Islamic style of architecture. A new style of architecture developed during the Sultanate period. It is known as the Indo-Islamic style of architecture. Let us examine the major features of this style. Arch, domes and minarets were the notable features of this style. Figures of flowers and plants were curved for decorating buildings. Mortar, red sandstones and marbles were used for construction. Spacious gardens were set on the building premises. Major features of Indo-Islamic style are domes and minarets were the notable features of this style. Figures of flowers and plants were carved for decorating buildings. Mortar, red sandstones and marbles were used for construction. Spacious gardens were set on the building premises. The Qutub Minar was the first building constructed in this style. Qutub Minar was the first building constructed in the Indo-Islamic style of architecture. The construction of the Qutub Minar was started during the reign of Qutbuddin Aibak, the founder of the Sultanate. Later, Iltutmish completed the construction. The construction of the Qutub Minar was started during the reign of Qutbuddin Aibak. Later, Iltutmish completed the construction. A tall tower and balconies projecting from it are the striking feature of this building. Alauddin Khilji built a gateway to Qutub Minar known as Alai Darwaza. The Indo-Islamic style became popular during the Mughal period. The Mughal kings constructed several forts, mosques and tombs in this style. Akbar used Hindu styles of architecture in many of his buildings. The decorative feature of his buildings are copies of those found in the Hindu and Jaina temple. It is illustrated in the Jahangiri Mahal, in Agra Fort and in many of the buildings of Fatehpur Sikri. The most magnificent of Akbar's building at Fatehpur Sikri and Jodhbhai Palace and two other residential buildings. Shah Jahan was a prolific builder. Many buildings, palaces, forts, gardens and mosques due to him are found at places like Agra, Delhi, Lahore, Kabul, Kashmir, Kandahar, Ajmer, Ahmedabad and elsewhere. The Taj Mahal was built by Shah Jahan over the grave of his beloved wife. Mumtaz Mahal is rightly regarded as one of the wonders of the world for its beauty and magnificence. The Gol Gumbaz in Bijapur, constructed during the reign of Bahmani Sultans, and the Charminar in Hyderabad, constructed during the reign of Qutub Shahi Sultans, are also example of Indo-Islamic style of architecture. Where is the Gol Gumbaz? Gol Gumbaz in Bijapur, constructed during the reign of the Bahmani Sultans, and the Charminar. Where is the Charminar in Hyderabad, constructed during the reign of Qutub Shahi Sultan, are also example of Indo-Islamic style of architecture. Fatehpur Sikri was the capital city built by Akbar. It is situated on the bank of a large natural lake and is one of the finest example of Mughal architect splendor at its height. Which are the major structures in the period of Shah Jahan? Taj Mahal, Red Fort, Juma Masjid at Delhi. Architecture in the period of Vijayanagara kings. The Vijayanagara rulers patronized a new style of architecture. They constructed a number of temples. Krishnadevaraya built a city named Nakalapuram. How these structures are different from the earlier ones? They are multi-storied and built of chiseled rocks. Mandapas were built adjacent of the temples. Pillars with carving were constructed. Temples were expanded. During the 16th century, the Portuguese introduced a new style of architecture in India. It is known as Gothic style. Who introduced the Gothic style? Portuguese. Pointed towers and arches are the major features of Gothic style. Pointed towers and arches are the major features of Gothic style. The St. Francis Church in Kochi and the Bom Jesus Church in Goa are examples of this style. The buildings constructed in the styles of architecture discussed above are the symbols of the rich and diverse cultural tradition of India. Identify the common features of the Indo-Islamic style of architecture and prepare a note. Arch, domes and minarets were the notable features of this style. Figures of flowers and plants were carved for decorating buildings. Mortar, red sandstones and marbles were used for construction. Spacious gardens were set on the building premises. Okay, just check the name of the structures and features. Brihadishwara Temple. Where is it? Situated at Tanjavur. Built by Rajaraja Chola. It is the one of the greatest temple of India. Qutub Minar. Qutbuddin Aibak begins to build and the work was completed by Iltutmish. Taj Mahal. Who constructed Taj Mahal? Constructed by Shah Jahan in memory of his wife Mumtaz. Situated at Agra. White marbles was used for its construction. Then Red Fort, most important fort built during the Mughal period. One of the main structure by Shah Jahan. The fort is made entirely of red sandstone. Where is the Red Fort? Situated at Delhi. Juma Masjid. Situated at Delhi. Juma Masjid built by Shah Jahan, completely built by red sandstone. Study the name of the structures and features. Try to say the answer. Where is the Brihadishwara Temple? Second question. Where is Taj Mahal? Third question. Who built Qutub Minar? Who built Red Fort? Where is Juma Masjid? Where is Gol Gumbaz? Which are the major structures in the period of Shah Jahan? Where is the Kamakya temple? Where is the Khajuraho temple? What is Gothic style? Find out the 2 examples for Gothic style. Try to find out the all answers. Study the name of structures and their features.